Hello everyone. So today uh, we are here to discuss about litigation management software, and I am Navneet Amrite, and I will be taking you through this litigation management software. So this litigation management software is by LegitQuest. Is one of the renowned legal research company and has developed this very vibrant litigation software wherever where you can do multiple things at one platform. So this platform gives you effective case management. It gives you daily reports, next date listed cases from all courts like district courts, tribunals, Supreme Court, other high courts. There are automatic alerts on your emails messages about the next date, about the cause list, about the orders. And all these cases which you want to add in this litigation management software, you can do it simply by case number, CNR number, and other case details. There is a chatbot system which helps you and it assists you on everything related to this product. There will be a workflow analytics. There is a calendar, right, which actually is a scheduler for all your hearing dates, upcoming hearing dates for different cases. There is a very good document management system here where you can save all the documents related to particular case with different titles as they would before, and it helps you in segregating the document quickly and understanding which document is available at which name. So all your documents related to your client can be digitalized and stored safely without any risk of any damage to the documents. Then there will be task which you can create, and you can assign tasks to your team as well as you can create tasks for yourself. You can create a matter here, and that matter again can be even. Then there is a invoicing which you can create here. So this is what the platform dashboard look like, and for this you have to go on legitquiz.com and you have to log in with the management portal, and in this we will have this graphical view where you get to know how many cases are total in a company, contract, how many documents are there, how many matters are there, task, invoice, billing. Now this is in graphical forms also, and it gives you the case stages also, so court wise and case wise. So case stage will tell you which are in motion hearing, which are in defective matter. So all these information you have. Then you have again court wise bifurcation. This is the graphical figure which is available. There is a personal dashboard also which gives you all information regarding billing of different clients, which are unpaid bills, overdues, everything you can store in this personal dashboard. There is a form feed also, like suppose you have created this form and there are entries done by multiple people. So you can check in form feed how many cases have been uploaded, which all documents have been uploaded. Every information will be available here. Now let me to take you to the company homepage. Now here in my dashboard you can see three companies. One is my own company, there is one of my client SBI, then there is one of my client ICICI. Now I will be managing all those cases or uploading all those cases which are allocated to me from different companies, different banks which are you are seeing here. So suppose SBI allocates me 50 cases, I'll be uploading those 50 cases. Or maybe ICICI allocates me 100 cases, I'll be uploading those 100 cases. So I will be only managing those 100 cases in this platform. Now in future I may have some other company also which may come and will be added as a client. So what I need to do is I have to create more company. Then I have to go on new company option. And here I can add a new form. So suppose you want to add Axis Bank. And then you can also choose it what kind of company it is. So you can say bank. Then you can choose the logo also if required. So like I'll just show you. So now we will be able to upload Axis Bank logo also. And we'll make save from option. So the moment we save a company, we get multiple things open up. We can always add assign user. Like suppose I have got juniors in my company and I would like to look I would like to allocate a particular company to one of the junior or two of the junior. So I can always assign user and then I can select their role also, maybe as a user or admin, organizer, username. So it is about like once you have a multiple user, you can allocate different companies like 4 companies, 5 companies to one user. He will be able to see that company only. He will not be able to see other companies. So likewise, you can allocate here. You can even define their roles, like what is their role, admin, user. Then all these things should be there, and you can actually create it from a company dashboard where you can also assign users. Now let me take you to back to the company homepage. So see, our one company is added. So idea behind telling you is that you can add n number of companies here, and you can assign those companies to different team associates, and those people can work selectively on those company, and they will not be able to see everything as a master user, which you will be having the control. Now let's see any one of the company. Okay, so now this NLS company has 17 cases which are available here, and there is one document also which is uploaded. There are 2 matters also which are there. One task is there, invoicing is there. Then it says argument 1, case dispose, final hearing, different stages of the cases, and it shows me the all information in brief. I can see my personal dashboard. If I have done any billing, I can see form feed. I have entered all these information on 16th Jan, 16th March. Yeah, so now if I want to add case, I will just open up my cases. Now when you want to add any case or you want to see case from particular court, you just use the filter. Suppose you want to see Supreme Court cases. So now you see you have only Supreme Court one case in this entire 17 cases. So instead of because these are less cases, but as a lawyer you might have 200, 500 cases. In that case you want to just look after a Supreme Court case, you can open that case. And again you can look all the other detail of that case by opening it in a new window. So that you get to know that this next listing is on April 1st. Ordinary CV matter pending for motion hearing, disposable final. Even you can create manual hearing option here. So you can create manual date. Then any matter you can want to create, you can create the matter here. If you want to allocate any task, or you can assign your task yourself, you can assign the task here. You want to add any document, just go create the document, upload file. So this adding document is one of the best thing, where you can add multiple documents with different titles on particular case. So that document will be available on that particular case only. So it helps you in arranging the document properly. You can also create note. You can create contract if you want to, and there's a contract option, existing contract or some new contract which you want to create. There is a calendar option which shows you when the case will be listed. Then there is invoice, and if you want to add any related matter, you can simply add the related matter. So I have added the related matter also. So let's go back. Yeah. So here we were seeing that there are these 17 cases. Now, if I want to add any case, how do I add it? I'll just go back again so that you can understand it easily. You have multiple companies. You want to work with this company, or you are creating only one company. Then you will be having one sign of company. Now here you can add multiple cases of multiple clients. Then you can simply view it all, and here we have given you option of add a case. Now while adding the case, there is no limitation that I'll be giving you option only from adding Supreme Court or High Court or Tribunal or District, but this is open in all courts where you can add. So suppose you want to add a case in High Court by CNR number. So I'll just go here, copy a CNR number. So the moment I put this CNR number, I got this case, and I can add this case. So now you can see this case is added in my data of judgment, and the moment I add this case, I will be seeing all the options related to this case. I'll show you how to see that. So before that, I'll show you, you can also add in Supreme Court. You can just search by case type, party name, advocate. You can add in High Court with by case number, bench, by advocate name, by party name. You can add in Tribunal also. You can add in District Court also. So these are all forums from where you can add your cases, and it has to be added only once. And once you add it, you are not required to repeatedly add it. It will be stored here, and you will be start getting all the orders, hearing dates, and then you can manage those matters of the case, billings of the case, task, and different other things related to the case in this platform. So see, now I want to see how many cases are there. I'll just click on case, and then I'll get all the details of cases. So now there are 18 cases and 14 are pending. See, which I can see which all pending. I can see one that disposed of. Pre-admission also I have. So I can simply add a tag also. I can open the case, and once I open the case, I will be able to see all matters which I am going to see there, or I can create a matter. I can create a task, I can add document, I can add notes, everything related to the case. And if I can also find any listing which is there, or orders which are there, FIR there, linked account, everything will come here. See, now this particular case has got 2 orders. Okay, so I just want to see these orders. I will go on this order option and I will be able to open up these orders. Similarly, if I want to see the second order, I can open this order. So all your orders which are coming on that particular case will be updated automatically. Then I have a calendar option where actually I can see in the entire month or maybe subsequent month how many cases are actually listed for hearing. Now I have one case which is there on 20th March, 2 cases on 18th March, one case on of High Court on 25th March, and on 1st April I have one in District Court and one in Supreme Court. So if I want to see which case, so I get this information and I can click on it and I'll be able to, if I want to see which Supreme Court case, again I can open it. So this is the case which is listed on 1st of April. Then all your tasks will also come here. I had asked somebody to create a rejoinder on this particular, so that has been given and located. All my documents which I have stored, I can see case wise document. I have stored one document here. If I want to create a contact of a client, maybe sometime you're dealing with institution, you want to create contacts of 3-5 key people, you can simply create the contact here and that will be stored here. You are not required to again go on your phone and check whether those contacts are there or you're missing some cards. This situation will not be here. So it is very easy to create contact to and save them. Now you can see next option which is about alerts. Now in this alert, it is very good option available here where you can create your appeals alert, right? If there is any appeal which is going to come in higher court, you can create the alert of that appeal so that you get the information of alert. You can also create suggestion alerts based on the keywords if there is some cases coming from particular act or section. So you will be able to know that these cases have come for appeal and you can definitely follow them. You can create the advocate wise appeal alert also. So these are alerts which will be giving you alerts on different appeal when they come. Then we have reports. So report is one of the very good feature where you are actually seeing the entire hearing status report. There is order status report, there is next date hearing status report, matter order status, and document report. So now suppose hearing status report you want to see. So you get to know that there were multiple hearings which were there in different courts, and these are the different orders or maybe reports of that particular court. Similarly, you can see order report, which all order have come. So there is no such order which are there as of now. Then next date hearing report. So there is one hearing which is on 1st April. So this is a very good platform of reports where you can consolidate, see what is happening throughout in your different cases. Then you can also see your cause list. Now cause list, daily basis cause list is there, weekly cause list is there. Now I want to see the weekly cause list from 16 to 22. I have these two cause lists in my cause list. These are two cases. Then there is from 2nd to 8th March, there were 5. I can see archived cause list also. And this same cause list comes on email also. Invoice is a kind of financial management where you can do your invoicing right from here, and you will be able to see every pending invoice, overdue invoice, accepted invoice, and matter wise, or you can create invoice pending for approval or matter based invoice. You can just post invoice to anyone based on the different kind of legal practice or service you have given, and select the matter, people, and you can just post your invoice also here, and your the time frame, everything you can do through this platform. There is order tracker also, which is going to tell you which all orders have come. So you can see these are two orders which have come: file, counter, affidavit, rejoinder. So you can just open it and see what is the exact order. Notification is again a very good thing where you are actually seeing all the notifications which are coming. These notifications are coming you at 2-3 places. This is a platform where you're getting all notification. There is a notifications calendar schedule also, and these notifications are coming on email also. So in email you are able to see your cause list, your next date hearing, your orders, that is coming through email. Now you want to see notification on cases, your cause list, next date hearing. So there is chronologically arranged orders. So there's an order on 4th March, 2nd March, 2nd March. I want to see the order, just click on it, order will come. So all your orders are consolidatedly available in notification. Any miscellaneous invoice, everything will be available. So again we go back to the company. Similarly, other company also you can check. In this company I have 17 cases. I can just open it. Again I can add cases here. I can see 15 cases are pending. I can see their different status available here. Here also you can add cases. Then you can see the notifications. There are 23 notifications. So there are 23 orders which are there from different forum. Now you want to just see any of them, you can just click on it and see this cause list. So in short, in this litigation management, I'll just summarize again and I'll give you a brief idea in summary. See, in this litigation, you are having all the cases at one platform. You means like all your clients, different clients of different type of matter. You can store all the cases here. You can store their cases with the documents, with all kind of documents in different topics and subject. Based on a topic you can store the document. So the entire server space you get it here to store your documents, and it can be easily viewed as when required, and it is safe, even though if your physical document may have chances of damage, but this is something which will be on server and always be a safety. You get a daily report of next date listed cases from various districts, Supreme Court, High Court, through your emails, messages, as well as through the notification platform which is available here, and the calendar which is there. So all these information are real time updated, and as well as here you have a chatbot system which helps you in understanding the product and use it very in a good manner. You can create tasks, matter, assign it to your team. So these are all things which are very good for legal practitioners to manage their cases. So that is why we call it as a litigation management product. So I would like to thank everyone for understanding this litigation management through this session, and I'm sure this will be a helpful session for users. So thank you very much.